Hello everyone, this is Judy Zhu, one of the AB of W3C, and also working now for Alibaba Group. I'm very glad to be invited to have a lightning talk on some new idea. This idea today is quite new and many people are researching on it. I just like to trigger this topic in W3C, and I hope your fruitful insight and any comments are welcome. So firstly, in this slide, you can see that we have three paths for you to introduce to you. First one, introduction. The second one is the relationship with W3C. And also the third one, the requirements to W3C. So in this slide, it is introduction of the digital twin. Actually, we think that digital twin, it is a virtual and a digital representation of a real-world entity or system that mirrors a unique physical object, process, organization, person, or other abstraction. So it includes multi-scale, probabilistic, and ultra-fidelity simulation that reflects in a timely manner across life cycle the state of a corresponding twin based on their historical data, real-time sensor data, and physical data. So in this figure, you can see from the left to the right, it is a mapping between the physical entity to the virtual representation. Of course, in the interface, you can see the historical real-time data and also physical model, and also with some analytics and feedback. So here, I like to show some user cases for you. First one is city management. It is used in the city to map to the virtual representation to show the physical building roads and infrastructures. So here we can see the 6 pictures to show the different things of the city. And then it is our industrial park management based on the Internet of the Things. It is a virtual representation, real-time data monitoring, and decision-making on the industrial park based on the Internet of the Things of technology here. And then, so the relationship between the digital twin and the W3C, actually, you can see that the digital twin actually, it needs the real-time data and the rendering of the physical object. So we need to enhance the current scene description model in the Web of Things working group. And also we need to add a new model like 3D rendering. So it will be most related to the GPU for the Web working group and also the immersive web working group. And then for the requirement to the working group to the W3C, actually this requirement is mostly related to the Web of the Things working group. And the purpose is to make the scene virtualization to the system virtualization and to virtualize a group of connected devices for the digital twin. So in this figure, I will show that it is trying to enhance the property, event, actions, this kind of attributes to also to show the scene functions. And also, we need to add 3 new attributes like device relations, triggering condition, and also custom functions, which are really related to the scene description model. And then, also, like I said just now, that we need to improve the web rendering support for the digital twin. So it is mostly related to the GPU for the web working group and also the immersive web working group. So in this figure, you can see that we need to add the new 3D rendering elements. So they are following like the climate, terrain, river, building, road, etc. to show the spatial base data, and also the point data mapping, the line data mapping, and also polygon data mapping, and also the volume data mapping to show the real-time data mapping. That's all. That's what I want to say today. So I just like to share with you the new idea so that we can enrich the web capability and to help on the digital world industry. So maybe you have a different opinion I really look forward to hearing your views and comments, suggestions. I appreciate this time and your listening very much. Thanks a lot.